Alright, so what I did is I wound up adding to this. I welded a nut into this. It's corrugated. And I curled up a piece of threaded rod, and I made it so it wrapped around the back so I wouldn't lose it when I pulled it up. So that might be last time I used that. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace that piece on the end of that, on the end there, and then be able to, so here we go. Gotta do what you gotta do, right? Alright, so I'm gonna get this rewired up, and then turn the wire on, or turn the breaker on, and see what I got. Okay, let's troubleshoot this thing here. I put the power on a minute ago. Let's see if I got power. This one's coming to the house. Okay. Yep. Got power. Let's see, green. So it's orange. Yep, we got something stuck in it. Tell it right off the bat. Awesome. Okay, let's see if we can get it unplugged. It's coming from the house. Alright. Okay, let's see if we can get it unplugged here. Can't tell you what's in it, but we'll find out here in a sec, maybe. Let's try and, you can hear it wah, 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 wah. Snap it out of here. Well, come on. Do that. Specifically did that so I could have it up on the freaking thing here, so I could work on it. Well, the thing, toes have just gone off, so that can't be good. Cannot be good, because somebody's calling for the ambulance, or calling for the fire department. You see it across the field. They're out. Now whether the house is on fire or they just got the field on fire and it's out of control, I couldn't tell you. Not good. Might not even be them. Right. It's still black smoke. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, we're over here. Let's get that ring out of there. Hopefully it's just hopefully it's something stuck in the impeller, but ding ding. Pull that out of there. Good question, how? Let's see. Give me her pliers. It's still bellowing. Oh, it's nice. Look at that. Black smoke. That's not good. That's like inside a house. It's burning furniture and plastics. Wow. Not good. Okay, well, it comes down to the pump seized. So unfortunately, I've got to replace it. One thing or another. It's a 1 horse. 1.5 inch came out of it, so I'm gonna get another one horse. I got it online, so I know I got it fairly cheap. So I don't know exactly what the price is for one at Lowe's, maybe. Okay, here we are. I just got back from freaking Lowe's. And here's my pump. $349. Two wire plus electric, and it's a half. I went with a half. Half horse this time. And guess what? These now have 1-year warranties on them. That one that I just got done had a 3-year, and it just expired. So that's the this is the new 1-year warranty. This is the new generation of freaking water pumps, and I'm gonna go with this one here. It was a Ghoul. It lasted freaking 25 years. And it's a half horse, so that's what I went back to. And the one that that just failed was a 1 horse, and it had a 3-year warranty, and that's all it lasted. So when I had issues earlier today, as you were following me, I just got the old one out, and I put a new one in. This is a quick disconnect. You can get them at, come to find out, you can get them at Lowe's, brand new. And I put the bushing in, so now I'll be able to screw my pipe right on here, and I'll be able to lower it right down, control it, and slide it into the lock. I'm hoping when I open that box, it might be another O-ring in there. This one's in good shape. I just pulled it out a while ago. It's still flexible, so it'll be in good shape. I went ahead and cut it off the plastic pipe because I needed to get that out. I had to heat it up with propane, of course, to get it to freaking let go. So there we are. It's brass, and I just got to get that on the end, and then my 2 clamps. I'll wrap it up with electrical tape, and that end will be done. I just pulled the old pump off of the plastic pipe. So we'll open this up real quick and see what we got. And just match up what you got. I've got a 220 hookup, and this one doesn't require a box. So 220 with a electrical thing. Well, we're really short on wire here, so I'm gonna have to use the wire that I already got. Go with it. Black with a green. Anything to... Yep, that's all there is. They didn't give me anything to do any electrical work with whatsoever. So... They don't need a box. Gonna be yeah, there's stuff in. There's the one I want, American. Mount pump, 2-wire. Alright, well, we're almost there. Doing my final wire here. Get it soldered together and get it back in the ground. This has been you're under pressure. Pressure to get it done. We went without water last night, and that's definitely not the way to go. Today's Sunday. I gotta go back to work tomorrow. Definitely gonna want to take a shower. Better control with his hand. Okay, sealing that up. This is just ground. This is a ground, and trying to get it the next. Close to the same length as possible. And of course, you got to seal them together because it's going into water. All right, now I know it's seated in its shaft. Now I can unscrew this. I can take it out, and like I said, now I have a brand new if I have to pull it out in the next year or two, which I hope not, don't plan on it, I'll give you a year warranty on it. Stand by. So I got the cover on there.